people who have been able to walk that extra mile, who have been able to play on those skinny branches, who have been able to take risks, who have been able to accept challenges and overcome the obstacles. Now, these are the people who might be having the best of the jobs with them, but they did not have that passion, that soul, that atma, what we say in that. And therefore, they were all ready to say quits to it and take charge of their life. Or maybe they were in a kind of job and they were not satisfied looking at the face of Hari Sadhu, their boss. And then they decided, let me walk out of this office and start something new of myself. But these, ladies and gentlemen, are people who actually fall in that bunch or group or club of what you say, dreamers. They might not be having a penny in their pocket. जेब में एक फूटी कौड़ी नहीं होगी. But yes, they have that passion, they have that dedication, they have that commitment, they have that self-belief कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. And yes, with that self-belief, they take charge of their life. In fact, you know, that reminds me of a very famous scene from a very famous movie, Trishul, where you have Amitabh Bachchan and you have Sanjeev Kumar ji, just face to face, and Amitabh Bachchan comes and says कि मेरी जेब में 5 फूटी कौड़ी भी नहीं है और मैं आपसे 5 लाख का सौदा करने आया. So this is the self-belief which these so-called entrepreneurs have. So this is about the spark. Yes, it is about that spark, but it is also about the way of thinking. It is also about the way you do your work, your business. Taking it from the start, then further sustaining it, and then scaling it. If you see these entrepreneurs, they in fact in their entire entrepreneurial life cycle, they have a lot of I's: ideate, innovate, inspire, individualize, invest, and then internationalize. If you look at India itself, there have been so many people, and in fact, nowadays we have so many people who fall actually in this bracket of entrepreneurs. पहले हम देखते थे गिने चुने होते थे. People actually went for services. People wanted a cushion job, doing their job. There were very few. But now we have so many people who have also been able to walk across the borders, and they have been global leaders now. We have Hira Nandani, we have Narayan Murthy, we have Ambanis, all of them. Ekta Kapoor, she's another example of being an entrepreneur. And in fact, Narayan Murthy is the Bill Gates of India. So all these people are great inspiration. They are inspiring people. They are examples for the others to emulate. And therefore, with this very aim and objective, the research team of Big Brands actually set forth looking for these achievers, looking for these dreamers, looking for these passionate people. And we went across the length and the breadth of the country, from north to south, east to west. And today in this glittering award ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be presenting awards to people, and I'm really pleased, and in fact, as I said, it's a pleasure to be standing in front of you, standing in front of the achievers who have been able to make a mark in their lives. And I'm sure all of you definitely feel that it has been your hard work, your perseverance, which has paid you at the end of the day. But if you see, more importantly, it has been someone standing right beside you. एक शक्ति है जिसको आप सिर्फ शायद महसूस कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते, और वो शक्ति है ईश्वर की, भगवान की. और हम सभी का ये मानना है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये शक्ति एक अदृश्य रूप में हमारे साथ खड़े होकर हमारा साथ देती है. So before we start presenting these awards and appreciate and award people, let us first thank the Almighty, take His blessings, and then move forward. So we start this evening with the Ganesh Vandana, the Ganesh Stuti, the Lord of prosperity, the Lord of success, thanking Him for extending His blessings on us. We present you this Ganesh Vandana in a very creative manner, presented by a very talented dance group. So let us take the blessings, invoke His blessings first, and move ahead. Presenting you the Ganesh Vandana.